Obstructive sleep apnea and snoring may result when the muscles of the rear part of the throat relaxes, and then that would lead to the blockage of the airways. These disorders range from mildly annoying to the life-threatening condition. If you think you are suffering from either snoring or sleep apnea, we can evaluate you fully and fit you with the FDA-approved appliances. It's called MOSES.
St. Louis Center for Aesthetic and Restorative Dentistry is proud to offer the FDA-approved MOSES Oral Airway Dilator to help those suffering from snoring or mild to moderate obstructive sleep apnea. Unlike wind-based machines that utilize rushing air and uncomfortable masks, the MOSES is an elegant dental appliance that fits into the mouth, enabling wonderful nights of deep sleep.
We custom fit the MOSES appliances in our office, and we make sure that they fit your mouth comfortably. Also, we help you to understand the function of the MOSES and what to expect from it.
The MOSES is a lightweight acrylic dental appliance that fits completely inside your mouth. It opens the airway to alleviate snoring and sleep apnea. Because the MOSES supports the jaw and moves the tongue into an area so you breathe easily, you get healthy, deep sleep.
With MOSES appliances, snoring and many types of sleep apnea are treatable. We are looking forward to helping you and your loved ones on a way of the rejuvenating nights of deep sleep.
Visit our website at drnaruzzi.com to learn more about effective treatments for snoring and sleep apnea. Snoring and sleep apnea treatments are specialty areas not recognized by the ADA that require no specific educational training to advertise those services.